Alright, what's up? So, I'm gonna attempt to sneeze with my eyes open. See how well that works. Need a piece of paper, I guess. My allergies are already acting up. I've been sneezing all day. So now, I'm gonna try to sneeze. I'm gonna try to sneeze with my eyes open and see how that works.
Daddy's making a video.
That shit tickle. Come in. So, oh no, I can't. Oh, see, my eyes teared up.